Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Windows Tips, and hope you guys are doing great. So in this video we are going to show you another tip, another software of your Windows, and the software is built-in software that might solve a number of problem of yours. So let's get started, and before starting the video I request you guys to please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So as you know that uh, a number of people in today's world are used to use different kind of graphic designing software for graphic design stuff that can be named as Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop. It can either be Corel Extra, and a number of softwares are presented, but there's a problem in that uh, not every system supports those software because they demand huge uh, capabilities of RAM, and they demand high graphic card. As you know that all the things should be placed like there. So how can we bypass that worry that we have to design some graphical stuffs but we don't have any kind of Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, because our system doesn't support that. So for bypassing that stuff, and we have to design a content, not much higher content of a higher level, but we have to design some things graphically. So we have to move toward a tool that is referred as Paint. So Paint is a tool that is being introduced by Microsoft Windows, and it is very useful tool. So let me open it. So I have opened the Paint. You can open in the system by going to the search, and you can search for the Paint. So Paint is very effective tool. It is the most commonly used tool in the previous era when all Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, those weren't introduced. Then the Paint was used for different purposes. So from the here you can adjust the zoom setting. First you have to, before starting any work, you have to set its dimension. You have to go to properties. So what if I this is the HD dimension and it is good for us. So this is referred as toolbar, and toolbar contains different tools, brushes, shapes, colors, and edit colors, edit 3D. So first of all we want to draw a shape, then we can click the shape and select any kind of shape. Then we have to draw it by clicking here. Okay, and then we have to draw another shape, and I'm just going to design a random shape, any kind of shape that is random to me. So I've designed 3 shapes, and now I have to, and what if I design this one too? Okay, I've designed the 4 shapes, and now I have to put some colors in them. So for filling the color you have to choose a fill with colors tool. You have to choose the color. What if I want to fill this one, this and after that this one. After that you have to select this one. After that you have to go with this one, and after that you just have to select a number of colors in them. We are going to put okay, so we have designed it. So now we have to what if we want to put some text in it. So we will write hello as a text, and this, you can also change the font colors, font sizes, font colors from here, and font styles from here. Whatever font, and I want to put italic, and I want to underline it too. So there is a huge variety of functionality in the Paint, and it is a very useful tool. So the brushes are also located here. you can choose brushes of different types. Every brush has its own functionality, and you can also copy the things, you can also select the things, you can also cut the things like I am doing here. I am cut, and after all the work you have to only put control plus S and you will save all the things. So that's all from today's video. Hope you guys will like the video, and that's all from the tool of the paint, and it is the simplest stuff you will ever see in your whole life. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and do press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my side. Thank you.